Hi, this is a tutorial of mobile team management for manager level. For about the program, this app is for an on-site operation where the team tasks are managed from the center and utilizing the technology to ensure the agility of workflow. By they work together from everywhere, from assigning, accessing, working, and reporting. For about the feature of the program, inside the program can create a job. And next, with the calendar view, the planner can assign the job to the designer team according to their skills and capability. And the next, the team supervisor can sign in to accept the job. And next, on-site, set the location of critical shift point or CCP. And the next, inside the system can collect the photo before, between, and after the job for complete from each CCP. And the next, customer evaluates the quality and record their satisfaction level. And next, the customer can electronically sign on the device to ensure the job completed. And the next, the service providers management can always track and check the result of work, observing their quality before, between, and after completing each job by real time, anytime, from anywhere through the management portal on any device. For the next, with the workload report, management can track and manage staffing allocation. For the last is the financial department can generate a report with all photos attached, ready to submit and proceed on charting. For about how to use the program, you can go through the browser, and first you should fill in the username to log in, and next is the password. And click login. When you go inside the program, first page that you saw will be the dashboard, and you will see at the left side is the tab menu, and you can minimize the tab menu by click the hamburger sign. And first is for the dashboard. For the dashboard, you should see the rough results in order to understand the status quickly. For the first graph, is about the total number of jobs in the current month. It will show for the number of work for each supervisor. On each graph, you can select decide to print or download as file. And the next graph is a short in process. It will show the number of unfinished work on this month by any supervisor that you assign to. And the next is a graph for the job complete that is not yet job. It will show about amount of work that not yet delivered in this month. It will show by the supervisor also. And next, the last one is a graph show about job complete and delivery complete. It will show the number of the complete work delivered in this month. It will show for on each supervisor also. For the next menu is a save job in the system. For about this menu is you can import the job into the system for use in plan job in the form of calendar, and continue to create job sheet, job receipt, or other module. For about how to save job in the system, you can fill in the date of the job and select the job type. select your customer and then select the brand code or brand or fill in the area type, select the zone, and you can select the detail of the cleaning job. And next you can select the supervisor that you would like to assign to. And next is about the remark that you would like to brief him of. Type the full remark and submit. After you submit, your job that you add is will show in the tab menu as job planning, and you will see the job that you assign in the calendar. For about the job planning, it can is it can filter by the name of supervisor, the customer name of customer, or as job type or area type, or the zone, and then you click search. And you will see on each job on the calendar, if the job is done, it will show done, and you can, as a manager, you can edit for about the detail of the job, and then click update, or you can delete it, or you can kick back to the previous page. And for the next tab menu is view overview report. For this menu is operation analysis of the job done, delivered and signed by the client, keeping in mind the overall status of the operation department at all times. For about the view overview report, it can filter the report also by the name of supervisor, the name of your customer, or by the job type, so on the status of the job. And then you click search. And for the graph, this shows about the workload of each supervisor. The green is show about the number of jobs that you assign, and the blue show the number of jobs you assign, the green show the number of jobs that complete, and the black is the number of jobs that the client is accept the job. And for the in the table, you will see about the list of the job that you assign to each supervisor. You will see as a title of the table, and you see the status of the job. You can minimize the list by click beside, or you can show more lists in one page. You can minimize this, and then you can see that all. And the next is if you select of only one supervisor, and then you click search, the graph will change for only one supervisor, and you see how many of the job. And the next is for another tab menu as create report, attach, submit a job. This menu is report that is divided into two parts: resign report from job sheet and the job acceptance job. And for about the reporting in the form of photo before, during, and after a complete job. For this report, you can filter also by job ID, by the periods of the job that start from or in date, and the job type, and the name of the customer or the name of supervisor. And next is the status of the job, and then you click search. And for in the table, you will see the information of each title. You can click to rearrange each. You can download the data from the table as a Excel file. For about the report, when you click it, you will see about the delivery report that your supervisor do and take a picture, take a photo before, after, or between the work. You will see the result. And if you select about the report, the design, you see on about the layer report as a show as a simple. Yes, for about the report that the customer, the client sign and accept the job, and you see as this is a worksheet, and you see the job detail, and you will see the satisfaction level from that is the customer rate your service, and you will see the size of the customer. Okay, and this is the for function of your manager. After you finish your work, you can click log out. This is for the manager level. For the program is mobile team management. Thank you.